The province of Abra is a part of the Luzon Island Group in the Cordillera Administrative Region. It is composed of 0 city, 27 municipalities, and 303 barangays. The provincial center or the provincial capital is the Municipality of Bangued. The 27 municipalities comprising the province of Abra are the following. We have the Municipality of Bangued, which is also the provincial capital or the provincial center. It is composed of 31 barangays. The Municipality of Bulini is composed of 8 barangays. The Municipality of Bukay is composed of 21 barangays. The Municipality of Boklok is composed of 4 barangays. The Municipality of 𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢 is composed of 4 barangays. The Municipality of Danglas is composed of 7 barangays. The Municipality of Dolores is composed of 15 barangays. The Municipality of La Paz is composed of 12 barangays. The Municipality of Lacub is composed of 6 barangays. The Municipality of Lagangilang is composed of 17 barangays. The Municipality of Lagayan is composed of 5 barangays. The Municipality of Langaden is composed of 6 barangays. The Municipality of Licuan Baay is composed of 11 barangays. The Municipality of Luba is composed of 8 barangays. The Municipality of Malibgong is composed of 12 barangays. The Municipality of Manabo is composed of 11 barangays. The Municipality of Piñarubia is composed of 9 barangays. The Municipality of Pidigan is composed of 15 barangays. The Municipality of Pilar is composed of 19 barangays. The Municipality of Saliapadan is composed of 9 barangays. The Municipality of San Isidro is composed of 9 barangays. The Municipality of San Juan is composed of 19 barangays. The Municipality of San Quintin is composed of 6 barangays. The Municipality of Tayum is composed of 11 barangays. The Municipality of Tineg is composed of 10 barangays. The Municipality of Tubo is composed of 10 barangays. And the Municipality of Villaviciosa is composed of 8 barangays. All in all, once again, there are 27 municipalities in the province of Abra, and it is composed of 303 barangays. And that is all about this video comprising the different municipalities and cities and barangays in the province of Abra. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.